Hello dear fans. Who is Isaac Newton? Studying Newton's laws at school, some students memorize only their theoretical data and formulas, but they are absolutely not interested in how great the person who made such important discoveries was. Newton made a huge contribution to the development of man's ideas about the world around him in the 18th century. Isaac Newton is a famous English mathematician and physicist. The great scientist was born on January 4, 1643 according to the Gregorian calendar, December 25, 1642 the date of birth according to the Julian calendar, in the small village of Woolsthorpe in England. Isaac Newton is known for creating the theoretical foundations of astronomy and mechanics. Among his merits is the invention of the mirror telescope, the discovery of the law of universal gravitation, the writing of extremely important research papers on optics, as well as the development of integral and differential calculus. True, the last work was done by Newton together with another famous scientist Leibniz. Isaac Newton is considered the founder of classical physics. The great scientist came from a farming family. Little Isaac studied first at Grantham School, then at Trinity College, Cambridge University. After graduation, the future scientist was awarded a bachelor's degree. The most productive years on the road to great discoveries were the years of seclusion. They fell in 1665 to 1667, when the plague was raging. At this time, Newton was forced to live at Woolsthorpe. It was during this period that the most important research was done. For example, the discovery of the law of universal gravitation. Isaac Newton is buried in Westminster Abbey. The date of death of the scientist is determined on March 31, 1727 according to the Gregorian calendar, March 20, 1727 Julian style. Thanks for watching.